Today we would like to introduce this 15 ampere large current waterproof metal button with replaceable symbol stickers. It is important to note that when removing the suction cup from the lid, you need to pinch the head and slide it down. Put the symbol drawing inside the lid, then invert the cover and press the button head. You will hear a click to indicate that it has been fastened. Customers can change the icons to suit their needs. Put the suction cup on the button lid and squeeze it to squeeze out the air inside to create a strong suction. Then pull it out and you can remove the lid. There are two options, plastic and metal, with the plastic being transparent and the metal is a ring symbol. If you want the function that the lock light is on and the device starts, or the reset light is off and the device stops, please follow below wiring way. This button not only has bright light, but also has excellent waterproof performance. The waterproof level is IP67, and the rear part is designed with glue to ensure waterproof. It can still be used normally in wet and water-rich environments. The button can withstand a large current of 15 ampere. The voltage value is between 1 to 24 volt. The lid on top of the button can rotate, while the internal symbol stickers remain in place.